very special speaker. Isang royal, dalawang royal, tatlong royal, milyong royal!
Yes! Madaling umalis si Mike. Good evening, everyone! Wow! Thank you, Mike, for that, what a big introduction he did just now. O, diba? Anyway, I'll introduce myself again. My name is Ano Campo, and I've been doing this business for more than a year now. If you may ask, bakit more than a year? Kung yung buong family mo, 6 years na ginagawa. Well, you know people, sometimes we tend to be negative. Nurse ako pa, magbentahan mo ng sabon. Alam mo yung ganyan na attitude? But actually, more than that, really, at the end of the day, it's really swallowing and puking out your pride, actually, diba? So the moment na nag-resign na po ako, like year 2011, June, okay? And I'm doing this for good. And I'm so proud that I am a realista. Yeah. And I'm really enjoying it, kasi ibang klase ko pag realista ka, yung you have your time, that's the most important. I think time is a commodity and it has to be paid, right? And the good thing is, in Royal, whatever effort you will put into it, you really are gonna receive exactly what you're worth. Whereas sometimes, not every time naman, hindi naman lahat ng company kasi are bad. There are a couple of companies that are really paying well. So we really have to be thankful where we are right now kasi lahat yan connected, di ba? Hindi imposible, hindi accidental where you are. Okay, it's not an accident. So basically, right where you are, just be planted where you are, and that's the place where you will be blessed. Actually, gagamitin yan as your field. Diyan nyo makikilala yung mga prospects nyo. Tama? At saka yung mga connections dyan. Right? So let's start. Okay, tonight I'm going to talk about the RVP, the business. Really, I will talk about the products and a mixture of everything. Actually. Okay lang ba yun?
Yes!
Who among you here came to your first time? Any first timer in this place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. And I guess a lot of you are nurses, right? Who are the nurses here? Nurses. 1, 2, 3. Nurses. Nurse. You're a nurse or a medical professional. You are. She works for Terumo. Yeah, she's a friend of mine. Okay. So, yeah, let's start. Shall we?
Yes!
Okay. Yan. Gusto ko yan. Kailangan sumasagot kasi if you won't answer me, I'll fall asleep. Okay na ba yun? I'll snore here. Okay na ba?
Yes!
Okay. Alright. Tandaan, pangalan po, please don't talk to the person next to you or else I'll go all over again. Go back to the first slide. Is that fine? Yes. Yan. Sige, bago tayo. Okay? Bago tayo sa first slide. So, okay, let's move on. Royal, this is our wellness and health opportunity orientation, okay? And we all know that wellness business is the next trillion-dollar industry. Who said that? That is Paul Zane Pelzer. He's a well-known economist, author of 9 best-selling books, economic advisor of 2 U.S. presidents, and he's one of the New York's best-seller author when it comes to economics, all right? When I talk about the presidents that he has advised, okay, yung talagang kadikit niya, that is Ronald Reagan and George H.W. Bush. Right, and so he was the one who said that wellness business is the next trillion-dollar industry. There is so much of, studies. You cannot coin such a word without you understanding what is economy, what is going on. When he said that, because basically, if you try to understand, by the year 1970s, ano na uso dyan? There are several industries that went booming by the year 70s, by the year 80s, okay, 90s cell phones, 90s andyan yung internet, right? 2000, you see Mac, Apple, that time, di ba? And so the automobile by the year 70s and 80s, okay? That's why Henry Ford, went up, businesses and all. By the year 2000, actually late 90s, okay? And the 1990s to 2000, it's the wellness industry naman. By the year 2005, ilang billion na po ang nahit ng wellness. Okay? When we talk about trillion-dollar industry, that's a huge kind of industry na it will reach, wellness would reach in the coming years. Think about this. Nowadays, you go outside, there are a lot of people, you know, even our kababayan, on, you know, they sell in a kiosk wellness stuff, right? Kasi dati, medicine, walang alternative medicines. Everything is all like, especially right after the World War II, it's all the sickness in the street, right? It's all antibiotics, everything prescribed. But come the year 2000, when antioxidants came into, you know, umalingaw, right? It made some noise. Supplements. Normally, doctors would not really, and even studies, books and all, they won't mention anything about antioxidant supplements. Oh, RDA is not established, etc., etc. But at the end of the day, you realize people no longer want to get sick. How come we're going to reach this next trillion-dollar industry? How can it be possible? If you try to look at the population nowadays, you realize that a lot, probably, I'm not really sure about the figure, but probably about 20% of the world's population, okay, is in their 40s and 50s. About. What do I mean by that? I'm not really sure about the statistics, but some kind of that figure, they are what we call the baby boomers. Tandaan, baby boomers. Why baby boomers? These are the people who are capable of handling businesses right now. They are at the peak of their age. Prime of their life, you know, making money. They are the ones like, sorry to say, but he just passed away. See, Steve Jobs, right? On his, on that age, what? How old was he when he passed away? 50 something, something like that, right? And so, Tim Cook is the one handing Apple right now. And how old is he? What about Bill Gates? How old is he? Okay. What about the owner of Walmart? What about the Ambali family of India? These are the people, the tycoons, these are, I don't want to sound so big here, yung parang, these are the people who are basically handling the business, okay? And so what about them? These are the people who wouldn't want to get sick, okay? They want to remain healthy, they want to keep their health, they want to stay strong. Yung vitality nila, they want to keep it. No wonder they spend so much time in the gym, running, cycling, going for a triathlon. Have you noticed in the morning, if you go like around Jumeirah, you see a lot of managers, you see a lot of Caucasians cycling and jogging all across Burj Beach, the open beach. Why? Why do they do that? Because they want to keep their vitality, right? And they spend so much, and they put so much effort to maintain their health. Okay? Kaya no wonder wellness business is the next trillion-dollar industry. Now, how can you join this wellness revolution? Tandaan, easy. Either nasa RBP to, tandaan. You can be a manufacturer, but that will take so much effort and so much money. Number two, you can go back to being a naturopathic doctor, or yung mga chiropractors or nurse, or you can go back and study medicine. You can do all this stuff, but you don't have that the luxury of time to do that. Am I right? Tapos, ano ba? You can be a retailer. But if you want to be a retailer, you need a lot of money to do that. Diba? Or might as well be a distributor. Distributor of products that carries, or of a company that carries wellness and health and beauty products, such as Royal. That is basically in the book of Paul Zinkels, or the Wellness Revolution. Okay? Yan yun. Kaya, bakit kayo ngayon kumikita? Kasi po, yan na yun. It has been predicted by a very good economist. And now, if you don't do wellness business and become a distributor, you are late. I'm not saying you're late. if you don't join it, you're missing a lot. I think that's the right term to use. You're missing a lot. Because think about this, how much the Philippine government owes the international, IMF, how much? Just $1 trillion, right? I guess. But this is what? Next $1 trillion. We're not talking about peso. We're not talking about dirhams. We're talking about USD. So how much can you make? If you just take a part of this, ang haba na sinabi ko, introduction pa lang tayo. Okay? Okay? Pero tingnan nyo naman, right? Ang haba talaga. Pero I want you to understand and I want you to appreciate why we're doing this and why are we talking about this, right? I don't want to brush this off and then you're not realizing, well, because at that point I was asked by my friend to join this Royal. No, but you have to understand that there is something in this. That's why your friend has invited you. Because your friend doesn't just want to get like blessed or rich without you being taken along. Not only when it comes to being rich here, but being rich with your wealth, with your health. Because we know that the best ever kind of health or wealth is when you add value to people. Okay? By bringing in your people in the business, you are adding value to them. Right? Kasi, number one, in their health, you're helping them out. Number two, when you assist them in the business, that's helping. That's another point of adding value. Tama? Tama? Alam niyo naman yun? Alright, let's move on. Okay, what is wellness? Wellness is the existence of good health in an individual by the quality of life and a sense of well-being. Quality. Okay? We talk about quality of life. You can be alive, but you're just living. You can be alive and just existing, not really living. You understand? You understand what I mean? Kasi you can exist, but you're always sick. Right? You are so young, but because of your lifestyle, you spend so much of your energy with a kind of lifestyle that will not support your health. Is that quality? It's not. You are working here for 10 long years without having some savings. Is that quality of life? It's not. In fact, you have saved a lot. You've saved a lot of credit cards. Diba, no? Sometimes it's like that, and saved a lot of debts. Tama, tama. Yun, kaya dito, sabi niya, ang wellness is a totality, a sum total of everything. It's not only about health, wellness, or strengthen. Hindi lang po yun. We talk about even our finances, even social status. Hindi social status kung meron ka or single ka, poor ka pag single ka, pag meron ka, rich ka. Hindi po yun ang ibig sabihin. Ang ibig sabihin, our social well-being, our relationships, very important po yan. Let's move on. Whereas Paul's Pilsner defined wellness as what you do in order to not become a customer of the fitness industry. Okay? Yan, as simple as that. Because what is the opposite of wellness? It's sickness. Tama o tama? Alright, let's move on. Preventive stage is the absence of diseases and a general condition where the chances of getting ill is minimized or eliminated. Yun yung prevention. So when we talk about prevention, we don't just talk about taking some supplements. Okay? It's not just about that. It's basically a general where the chance of getting ill is basically minimized or eliminated. Okay? Now, to put it in layman's term, it is basically warding off diseases by the way that we live. Okay? By the way that we live, by making small, important choices every single day. Kasi always remember, I've heard someone say that in 5 years' time, you will be like the friends that you're with and the book that you read. Ganun lang yan. So if I were you, you have to choose your friends. Okay? And choose the kind of books you read. Ang problema, what if you're not reading any book? Kasi in our business, you have to learn first. Because we know that knowledge is power, tama? You have to constantly read. It's tapos sa school, hindi na ako magbabasa. Constantly read. Sabi niya, you will become what you read in 5 years' time. Oh, what do you read? Nako, baka si Kisla. Okay, yung magazine ng mga buzz. Hello, ahlan, masala. Naku, magiging masala ka nun. Diba? So kaya we have to choose exactly what we read. Okay, now we talk about the 6 pillars of wellness because as we always say, when we talk about pillars, we talk about columns in a building, it won't stand without the pillars, right? Okay, foundation, number 1, proper breathing technique. Okay, proper breathing technique or breathing techniques and exercises are becoming an important part of almost all healing disciplines. Studies show that the proper inhale and exhale technique, if exercised at proper intervals, has measurable medical benefits to include stress reduction. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do. Okay, let me just read this one. Slow deep breathing technique now is a powerful anti-stress technique. When you bring air down to the lowest portion of your lungs. Nurses, ano yun? Anong tawag doon? Anatomy. Anong tawag sa pinakadulo ng lungs natin? Sagot! Sorry, ganun eh. Okay? Tinakot ang mga nurses. Where our alveoli are. Okay? Alveoli, that's where the exchange happens. Okay? Now, if you are a very light breather, or let's say shallow breather, parang aso ka. Or baby. Ganun-ganun, di ba, baby? Ganun-ganun ka lang. No proper exchange of oxygen is happening. Okay? So I want everybody to stand up from where you are and we'll try that. Is that okay? Please everybody stand up. I know some of you keep backward, but alright, ready? Put your arms on the person in front of you and give some massage. Okay ba yun? Libre pa sa akin. Alright, and just shake. Yan. Okay, put your arms on the side. Yan. I want everybody to just first exhale through your mouth. Exhale. Ilabas lahat ng capacity nyo na nandyan sa loob. Exhale nyo lahat. Okay? Release. 1, 2, 3, exhale. Nagmukhang lumaki yung tiyan nyo, okay lang. Kapag lumaki talaga, ibig sabihin tama yung ginawa nyo. Exhale. Walang mahiya. Alright. Now, we will inhale through our nose. Okay? Slowly. And then later on, we'll hold it. When I say hold, you hold. And when I say release, you have to release it through your mouth. Is that okay? With the pursed lip, slowly lang. Okay? Shall we do it? Ready? Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold. Hold it. Okay, stop. Not like this, because this, okay, look. Stop. Wait lang. Because you know what she did? Like this. She will fall like, she will faint. But when I say inhale, you don't have to raise your shoulders. Okay? Inhale. Ate, don't do that, huh? Okay? Ready? Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold it. Release through your mouth slowly. Inhale. Hold. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Hold. Exhale through your mouth slowly. Now, how do you feel? Yung iba natulog eh. Haven't seen some of them. Are you sleeping or what? Thank you so much. Do you feel more relieved? Yes, okay. So do it every single day. 7 times in one day. 7, count 1, you know with your finger. 7. Okay? Hold it, 7. Tapos release it, 7 then. And you do it 7 times in a day. Your stress level will really fall down. Okay? This is a study by a doctor. Actually, it was Dr. Mehmet also said that. Okay? Now, let's move on. Next, water. Water is very essential to our body. Okay? People who drink more than 5 glasses of water daily were 41% less likely to die from a heart attack than those who drank less than 2 glasses. Imagine, your body is... 75% of your body is made up of water, FYI. Right? So what if you are not replenishing? You don't have to wait for the sign of dehydration to knock up your door just before you drink water. What do I mean by that? Don't wait to be thirsty. Okay? Because thirst is a sign of dehydration. Don't wait to feel thirsty just before you drink. Immediately, every single time, make sure you drink, you drink, you drink. Okay? Look at this. Our brain consists of 90% water. Our body is basically regulated. Body temperature is regulated. When we drink water, okay, our blood consists of 83% water. We want to be detoxified, drink a lot of water. Our bone consists of 22% water. Protects and moisturizes our joints. No wonder, minsan, gumagana, di ba? Kasi we have synovial fluid there para hindi siya mag-friction. Okay? That's another type of fluid. O, yan, ha? Tapos, it transports nutrients and oxygen into cells, moisturizes the air in our lungs. It helps with our metabolism, it protects our organs, helps our organs to absorb nutrients better, and our muscle consists of about 75% water. Think about this. If you don't drink water, it's almost like you are in a desert. You are literally in a desert. It's good that the weather is good. Now, kailangan natin ma-flash out what has to be flashed out. Yung mga electrolytes natin dapat na mabalance eh. Okay? We need to drink a lot of water. Clear? Number 2. Number 3, adequate sleep. Okay? According to the Journal of Immunology, we have to sleep at least 8 hours per day to maintain peak immunity. So that you won't get sick immediately, to reach peak immunity, you have to have 8 hours sleep a day. The thing is, if you're working and you slept late, and you're working early the next day, you slept late, immediately the next day, this is what you'll get. The effects of sleep deprivation. You'll be more irritable. Agree or disagree? Agree. You are irritable when you don't sleep. Right? Because your cortisol level increases. This is what we call the stress hormones. Pag mataas ang stress hormones mo, you are very irritable. Right? Stress ka na eh. Kasi stress hormone. Oh my goodness, diba? Your cognition is impaired. What else? There will be memory lapses. Pinapagawa, your boss is asking you to do something, you can't. Memory lapses. Ano nga ba yun? When did I see this patient? Oh, where will I get the file of this patient? Isn't it? Kasi you didn't fall asleep, you didn't go to sleep early, you watch Be Careful with My Heart. Tama, tama. Yun, nanood ng teleserye, or you watched, I don't know, all this new series in the whether in the US or in the Philippines. You tend to watch and you spend so much time in front of the TV or in front of your laptop or a lot of videos on YouTube. It won't do you any good at the end of the day, really. If you were to spend time awake, I'd rather read. Really. Okay? Or use audiovisual educational stuff. Or learn a language. Don't you know, okay, let me just switch a little bit. Don't you know that when you speak another language, okay, good for us because we've got dialects, right? If you speak, this is by studies, when you speak another language, okay, your brain immediately switches. Okay? Na-create pa din ng bagong neuron sa brain mo. Okay? Whatever it is, yung sa speech center mo, it works well because it switches like that. For example, now I'm talking. I would say, so how are you today? Everything is cool? Kumusta ba aujourd'hui? Okay, you speak French, right? Without thinking, how do I say, Kif halak ente, Leon, how are you today? Automatic, di ba? Yung brain mo yun, it's becoming very, very quick. No wonder those people who speak different languages, they tend not to have dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Okay? Kaya, if I were you, make use of your time as Raylisa, because we talk about everything here in the WHO, everything about health. Okay? Para lang matuto tayong lahat. Okay na ba yun? May mga information title and pro, is that right? So practice nyo lang yun, okay? Pag-practice nyo, if you don't want another language, go and talk Bisaya. Okay, no problem. Or Bicolano, or Chabacano, or Pampaman. Practice it. Or Bengali. Right? Just, do you understand what I mean? Do I talk fast?
Yeah, understand.
Understand. Okay. Alright, so, and all. Okay, you can see that. Let's move on. Stress management. Another thing. Number 4, stress management. Everybody, we have to practice a positive mental attitude. Everything. Whatever you think of who you are, that will determine who you are actually. Yung attract mo man, you attract exactly what you're thinking. Kunwari, today I will not have a pain in. And for sure you will not have. Okay? Today, maybe I will be late tomorrow because I'm sleeping late. For sure. Okay? Whatever you think, that will determine who you are. Okay? Maintain a good emotional status. Wala kang away-away. Okay? Always be positive. Okay? Be in faith every day. Positive ka lagi. Okay? Medical community and public agree that stress is a major contributor to health problems like heart attack, high blood pressure, ulcers, and cancer. You agree?
Yes.
Sometimes kasi, all these sicknesses, particularly these chronic degenerative diseases, they are almost all caused by stress. Cancer, okay? Asthma, heart attack, heart disease, all brought about by stress. Because stress, if you're totally stressed out, free radical formation, mas marami kang naiinit na mga free radicals sa katawan mo. At mabilis kang tumanda. As in, alright? You grow old that quick. Look at this girl. It's a Monday morning. Oh no, she works in Dubai. It's a Sunday morning. Don't you know that a lot of people dies at the first working day of the week? 8 a.m. on a Monday. Or in this nation, Sunday, 8 a.m. Because they don't want to face the work again. They've done the job for 9 whole years, and no increase, no insurance, nothing, and a lot of debts. Shuhada. Salary na yeah, salary na late salary yani. And that's it. Late, khalas, stress. From top to bottom. People are so stressed out. Look, tension, headache, stress, headache, migraine, thyroid problem, heart disease, indigestion, constipation, reproductive system problem, they cannot give birth, they cannot conceive, etc., etc. Are you learning something?
Yes.
Kaya kung gusto nyo magbuntis, if you are married and you want to get pregnant, please avoid stress. In fact, you cannot avoid stress because positive and negative. There are a lot of stresses every day, a lot of stressors, positive and negative stressors, but it's the way to manage it. Okay? We can never be totally stress-free. By the mere fact of you getting in the bus every day or driving a car with the traffic, you'll be stressed out. But I want to tell you, you have to remain positive. Diba? Maintain a positive mental attitude. Yun lang po yun. Okay? You cannot be stress-free, but you can be stress-proof. It's a matter of perceiving it and managing it. Okay? A lifetime program of physical exercise. I don't mean you have to enroll yourself to fitness first, but if you can, why not? Okay? But anyhow, a brisk walking, 20 minutes brisk walking every day will do you good. Importante po yan, lalo na sa heart. Clear? Maganda yan, Tinipur. Nakakatawa ka, I'm watching this video. Beginner, Pilates. And I was telling myself, you're watching it, you're not doing it. You have to do it. Go and buy a mat. You know? Because it's not a mat. We Filipinos, we are very good. Being, di mas tugod. Yes, type ito. You bought all the gears. New Adidas rubber shoes, Adidas tracksuit, lahat na yan. Forma ka, winter na. Sale, wow! Tapos nagbibili ka, grabe talaga. Zumba! Sorry po, ilaway ko pala sa siya. After some time, that's it. Asan yung damit mo? You bought a lot of gears? You haven't tried it. If only the clothes and the mat would call you, hello, I'm here, you want me, use me, di ba? Wala eh. Minsan yung step na lang ganun, yung palagagawa. And you take the stairs, hindi man magawa. You're buying products from 305, you go up in 405. All you know is to pindutize the elevator. You want to be lifted by the lift. Okay? So let's, the figure is the end. The heart is the most important thing. Okay? Let's move on. We have to have optimal nutrition. Okay? With the food that we have, we basically get antioxidants. And by the way, antioxidants are basically water soluble. Okay? So, in other words, ang importante kasi, the closer the food to its natural form, it is healthier. The further it is from its natural form, it's called dead food. That's why we always say, what do I always say? Remember this, the whiter the bread, the sooner you're dead. Okay? Kasi we're not supposed to eat white bread. Okay? Look up. Here, the grains, dapat whole grain, even with a red, brown bread is better. Brown rice is better. Okay? Anything that is refined is not healthy anymore. Okay? Dapat unrefined. Yung sugar natin, dapat yung brown. Okay? But I know a lot of us, we're not like that. Okay? So we can alter a little bit. If we want to really go for prevention, we have to alter that a bit. Okay? Let's alter our lifestyle. Is that okay with you? Yan, ito pa. Healthy protein. Eat a lot of nuts. It's very good for the brain. Okay? Avoid, not avoid naman, but not limited red meat. Limit your red meat. Okay? Kasi when you eat a lot of red meat, what you release is acid juices. Most likely, madali puro. Kasi when you eat now, when you eat a lot of vegetables, you are releasing a lot of alkaline juices. Okay? Eh, mas healthy dapat we have to have a balance. Okay? Limit it. I don't mean you, but if you have to, this is what you have to avoid. Food high in preservatives. Avoid bacon, cold cuts, canned foods. Okay? Processed meats. Avoid. Tocino, avoid. Longganisa, avoid. Lahat yan, avoid. Okay? Wala anong kakainin, marami. Fruits, vegetables. That's what you really have to eat. Fish. Okay? Okay? That's what you really have to eat. Let's move on. What we need every day for optimum health: 60 minerals, 60 vitamins, 12 essential amino acids, 3 essential fatty acids, probiotics, fiber, and enzymes. 1 missing nutrient, 10 deficiency diseases. 30 missing nutrients, 300 deficiency diseases ready to murder you. Whoa! Ganun yun. Okay? As simple as that. Now, you choose which part of the arrow would you want to lead. Of course here, right? Preventive medication is when we take supplements and vitamins along with proper nutrition, enough exercise, rest and relaxation, and complete spiritual, physical, mental, and social health to avoid sicknesses and diseases. It's a mixture of everything, right? Yeah? Okay, this is our population. These people, let the medical practitioner take care of them. But anyhow, if they really are taking supplements and they will alter the way that they live, they can even go back to this part of the pie, okay, where the healthy people are. In fact, this is our target market. Yan. Yung mga healthy, those who are in the malls, those who are in the schools, those who are shopping the whole time, they can't do anything about their money, yan ang mga target natin. Yung mga people na they already have their degenerative diseases and they have cancer and all, let the doctors do that, the sickness industry, take care of that. Okay? Health is well, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. We must take extra effort to maintain our health condition. Wellness management, or the curative stage, is a kind of health care traditionally oriented towards seeking a cure for an existing disease or medical condition. Now, what are food supplements? Okay? A dietary supplement, can we all read it all together? Go. A dietary supplement, also known as or nutritional supplement, is a Stop. Tell me, are you consuming enough nutrients every day with the kind of food that you eat? Not every day. Sometimes, okay, when I feel the same, then I eat the right kind of food. Diba? Kasi here, of course, I understandably, everybody is working and we sometimes we tend to go straight away to the mall and go for fast food. No wonder our lives are fast. Ganun lang, tapos na agad ang buhay mo, no? Because we eat fast food. And all this kind of food, the American kind of food, they are all pro-inflammatory food. Okay? Processed and all. Pro-inflammatory, you know, one problem of our cell is inflammation. Toxicity, inflammation, and all. We want to eliminate that. So therefore, you have to be very, very careful with the food that you eat. Clear? Okay. And because, as I said, we cannot do that, so we ought to supplement. Because we don't get it. American Cancer Society has suggested, all right, it's advocating all of us to eat about 7 to 13 different types of fruits every single day. Varieties of fruits every day. Okay? So, tell me, are you eating the 7 to 13 types of fruits? Of all colors, it has to be. I do. You do? Yes, one. Banana. Of different variety. Saba, turon, ay hindi pala turon. Saba, hindi, banana, cooking banana. No, we really have to eat fruits every day. Legumes, vegetables, every single day, okay? Not, basically, food supplements or dietary supplements are not meant to replace doctor's prescription, diagnosis, and advice. So don't act as if you are a doctor saying, hey, you try my products. Don't take this. Really, you know, the doctors, they're like this, you know, they won't tell you anything about the supplement. So if I were you, go take this one. Oh, you have a problem with your blood pressure? Take Basic Extra. In as much as you really want to help, actually, you have to be very cautious. Okay, because these are not meant to replace the doctor's prescription and the diagnosis. In Royal, we teach you, I mean, you know, at least we share whatever we can share about how to, some facts about the products that we have, right? But it's not comprehensive. You still have to ask the doctor's advice, or if a person is already taking some medications, prescription drugs, it's better to ask their physicians or their doctors to check if this particular supplement will not have any interaction with whatever they are taking. Because there's what we call drug interaction. We still have to ask their doctors, okay? Clear po? We have to be very socially responsible. Clear? Clear. Alright, it's not a substitute for a healthy diet. Ooh, we have spirulina. Don't eat, just take spirulina. That's not really good. Right? Replace it with it. Believe me, you're gonna be thin. What if the person is not gonna go thin? Any inch, no move. No grams has been removed. Oh, halas. But then, they are what? Frustrated. They won't buy anything from you anymore. They still have to, you have to be, you know what? Because there is what we call interrelated pillars of wellness. Even if you're taking this, still you have to exercise, madam. Because why is your product not working? Which one? Fit, Shape, and Fiber Rich. I'm putting on weight. Ma'am, do you exercise? Should I? It won't help, right? We still have to do what we discussed a while ago, right? Okay, research has shown though that some uses of dietary supplements are effective in preventing or treating diseases. That's our resource just right there. And, okay, next, always remember that wellness is a process. We have to go through cleansing and detoxification. This is what we call elimination of acid waste, negative microforms, and pollution built up over the years from the body. Just imagine, you probably are 25 years old or 30 years old. I don't know how old you are. I don't want you to feel, why did you ask me my age? Okay? Especially embarrassed, especially for women. Secret, okay? So, just think about this. Over a period of time, you are taking in all this kind of food. junk food, okay, which is supposed to be junk, right? Chips, French fries, all right, all this stuff. We eat every single day. Fast food, burgers, okay, mozzarella cheese, fried food, all right, tocino, okay, all these things we eat, okay, that's our food. Filipinos love that. Noodles, non-stop cup noodles, okay, that's what you do. Am I right? Beep beep, okay, beep beep. But anyhow, I don't mean you have to eliminate all those. Okay, at least you have to limit, minimize. I'm not trying to say she's so strict. No, but you have to be strict with your health.
Yes.
Because health is wealth. Whatever you take in, that's garbage in, garbage out. Right? No wonder people, they get sick, it's because of the food. Oh, who said this? I think it's Herophilus who said that, I think it's Hippocrates. He said that, let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. Okay? There's a story, there's a lady who's diagnosed of having stage 4 cancer, and a friend of hers who wrote the book, You Are What You Eat, okay, saw that, of course, the health of her friend is deteriorating, and she just helped her friend by altering the diet, okay? Try this kind of diet, it would probably help you out, and we'll see, after a month, believe me, altering the diet, careful with what she's eating, the kind of exercise that she's doing. The doctors were amazed. How come? Totally out of cancer. Because of the kind of food that the person was eating. Okay, if you want to see that story, it's in the book You Are What You Eat by, what is her name? She's so famous with, even in TV. I forgot her name, sorry. Next time I will tell you, okay? I have the book. So check that out. Really, you can go to Borders and get that particular book and you'll learn a lot about food and all. Okay? The title of the book is You Are What You Eat. Later on I'll remember. Okay? So think about this, cleansing and detoxification. What product do we have for cleansing and detox? Fiber Rich. Fiber Rich is 100% psyllium seed husk. Okay, two types of kind of psyllium. We have the black psyllium and the blonde psyllium. But for us in Royal, we have the blonde psyllium. It's yellowish, powder form. Okay, this one. Some people, because they don't know, they think it's with caplets or capsules. Powder, guys. It's powdered form. It's yellow. Who among you here takes Fiber Rich? Cool, three people. Let's give them a hand. Alright, it shows. Okay, it shows, alright. Fiber Rich, USFDA said that 3 grams to 12 grams of soluble fiber from psyllium seed husk reduces the risk of heart disease. Psyllium fiber acts as prebiotics, which means aiding to heal and cleanse the inner lining of the inflamed intestines. At the same time, it can be probiotic. There are kind of food that are basically pro and prebiotic. Yogurt, for example, is one. If you want to have cleansing and all, yogurt is very good. Because if any fiber would help out in balancing, okay, cleansing and nourishing your normal flora. Okay? There is what we call good bacteria. Are you aware of that? There are bacteria within your gut. They are called good bacteria. They are what we call Lactobacillus acidophilus and bifidobacteria. These are healthy bacteria. They are there to help out eliminate toxins. Now, if you don't nourish them, they'll be poor in detoxifying. So you help them out by using Fiber Rich, which is 100% better than oats. Okay? Alright. Psyllium seed has fiber. It can alleviate constipation. Okay? It acts as prebiotic, aiding to heal the inner lining of the inflamed intestines, especially the colon. So it can be of good help for people who has ulcerative colitis, IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome. It can also help you out if you have diarrhea, okay, because it gives a bulk in your stool. Okay? And it supplies the body with enough fiber to aid in bowel movement. Because most of the time, if you don't have enough fiber, you cannot have a regular bowel movement. Are you getting something here?
Yes.
Yes. Without the proper bulb, such as this, okay, such as this. Oops, sorry. You see these balls right here? Without a proper bulb, you will be constipated. No wonder even women who are pregnant, when they are pregnant, they have very high progesterone level. Their colon is so relaxed, right? So they can poop. They can go to the loo, they can pass stool. There's no bowel movement. That's why they eat a lot of. For pregnant women, just don't give this. Just tell them to eat a lot of fiber. Okay? And when is the best time to take fiber? It's always in the morning. That's the best time to take fiber. When you give fiber-rich or you share fiber-rich to your clients, tell them, because I'm sure they are taking some of the other supplements, tell them to take their supplements an hour before taking fiber-rich or 4 hours after, so that they won't waste the supplement by absorbing it, okay, and eliminating it. All right? So tell them take take the supplements an hour before or 4 hours right after. Is that clear?
Yes.
And by the way, they have to drink a lot of water, or else, because it will form a ball, and at the same time there'll be like anything with psyllium, okay, mucilage. Later on, when it gets in contact with water, it swells up. It ought to swell up within, not outside. So immediately drink it. Okay, don't wait for like you were watching something or you read the newspaper and it went swelling up and you think, oh, it's a jelly? No, it's not. It shouldn't be like a jelly. Okay, immediately drink it and it has to swell up with it. Now, if the person has a problem with swallowing or the tendency to choke, ask them first. Let them start with taking it by a little bit lang. Okay, a teaspoon in the beginning. That's why with kids, we are very, very careful because they have a very small, of course, esophagus. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
All right. Don't give this one immediately with anyone with a kidney problem because, of course, with fiber and oil, with such, let me check. Doesn't have. Okay, because some of, not ours, commercial psyllium, they have magnesium and all. We have to be very careful with that because we have to take care of the electrolytes of a patient with kidney problem. Okay? So anything you have to ask them, check it out with your doctor first. Especially if they have a diagnosis of certain diseases or what. Clear? Because always remember, we are after prevention and not for cure. Clear? Okay, let's move on. Are you learning something?
Yes.
All right. Our digestive system is basically, it is intricately connected with our emotions. Okay? Number one, it says here, immunity, a majority of our immune system activity takes place in the gut. If your colon is not clean, definitely your immune system is bad. Just think about this. If your sewer system is not clean, okay, all these toxins, they're moving all across your body the whole time. Okay? So that's why you have to cleanse up. Okay? Detox by using fiber-rich. Sustenance. The GI system breaks down food into raw materials and energy. Emotional well-being. Emotional health is intricately connected to your GI system. This powerful mind-body connection is especially important for recovering and maintaining health. Right. Let's move on. Based on the latest scientific research, only 10% of all diseases are caused by germs, which we can eliminate by frequent hand washing and proper hand washing technique. But 90% of all the diseases are caused by free radicals. Okay? You ask me, what are free radicals? These are incomplete, highly unstable reactive compounds or molecules. Okay? These have, because we take in oxygen, right? These are basically a producer of oxygen. Oxidation. Okay? Our body goes through oxidative stress. Have you heard that term before? Oxidative stress? Okay? Each one of us. Alright? And then it says here, it leads to a faulty metabolism of proteins including DNA and enzymes, by oxidizing cells so that they practically rust. As simple as this. Expose, you know, this metals on air with all these buildings, scaffoldings and all. Nothing happens, just the sunlight, the air and all. What happens? They rust. Our cells go through the same process. Imagine an apple peeled off without you soaking it in water. After some time, it will turn brownish. That is what we call oxidation. Practically, it's rusting. That happens with our cells every single day. And that is brought about by free radicals, oxidative stress. Now, free radicals can actually weaken the cell as well as the whole body, causing illnesses. Okay? Free radicals, what we call the silent killer. No one knows this in the past. People think that the problem of people is basically nutritional deficiencies. They would check the hair, the nails, the muscles and all to check what particular nutritional deficiency does this person have that has caused this particular disease. After some time, researchers found out that doctors, biochemists, and all found out that it's basically caused by free radicals. Okay? Now, just think about this. If you have in your home air purifier, strains the kind of food that your kids would eat, okay? Protects anyone from like entering your house and stealing everything you've got. Those are the work of antioxidants. On the other hand, the free radicals are the ones that steal the health of your kids, of your parents, the ones that are causing chronic degenerative diseases. I'm talking about Alzheimer's, dementia, heart disease, diabetes mellitus, and all this stuff. Chronic macular degeneration, Parkinson's disease. As people grow old, okay, this is what they get. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
And some of the people, they are so young and yet they look so old. When I was young, anyway, I don't know. So this is basically caused by free radicals. And what do we need? The antidote for free radicals, or shall we say, the oxidants. The free radicals or the oxidants. The antidotes are what we call antioxidants. Okay? What are the factors that can contribute to free radicals in the body? Number 1, pollution. Number 2, smoking. Okay? What else? Alcohol, synthetic drugs, radiation, preservatives, pesticides, stress. I don't have to stress on this. These are no-brainers. Okay? Alright? Our body is made up of trillions of cells. Okay? Cells. Put a group of cells together, you'll get your tissue. Let's go back to your biology class. Right? The basic unit of your body is the cell. Right? You have your skin cells, you've got your hair cells, you've got all these kind of cells, okay? Put all the cells together, you get a tissue, a group of tissues, you get organs, a group of organs, you get the system, and the human body. Alright, now, if you have damaged cells, you definitely will have, okay, healthy lung. And then, damaged tissues will lead to, kapag damage ang organ mo, what will happen? You'll have system. And then you get sick, a particular disease. Now, let's reverse it. If you have a healthy cell, what will you get? Healthy tissues, okay? Healthy organs, healthy system, and no disease, okay? Longevity, vitality, optimum level of health. Don't you want that? No one in this room wants to get sick, am I right?
Yes.
Because if you're sick, your family will be very much affected. Not just financially, but emotionally. So we'd rather do everything to keep ourselves properly nourished. We have to take care of ourselves to the cellular level. Tama?
Yes.
What's the point? You cannot eliminate disease just like that. You have to start right there. So what you have to take care of is your cell, your cells, right? there's what we call antioxidants. These are a group of vitamins, enzymes, and minerals that protect our body against oxidative stress caused by the oxidants or free radicals. They neutralize free radicals, eliminates them through perspiration, urination. So we basically have basic antioxidants. Eduardo Gonzalez, a doctor from Manila, said that antioxidant is the antidote to free radicals. And studies would say the same. This is an antioxidant right here, okay? And that's the cell. This is the free radical. Look, it lacks one molecule, one oxygen molecule, okay? Now, what does the antioxidant do? It will conjugate next to it, convert it into something water-soluble, just so that it will be eliminated. Clear? As simple as that. I don't have to elaborate everything. It's as simple as that. That's the work of an antioxidant. Did you see the video a while ago? The more antioxidant you have in your body, the lesser your toxicity level, okay? The lesser your inflammation, the lesser the disease. And you look younger and healthier. Zero sickness. If you can get sick, if you get sick, then it is less than the usual effect of a particular, let's say, virus or bacteria, etc. Clear? Are you learning something, Paul?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Royal Pro is cellular nutrition. Health and nutrition begin in the cell, as I said. Healthy cells mean healthy body. There are foods that nourish the body at the cellular level. We have a product here called glutathione. Glutathione was discovered in 1800s, in fact, and it only came out by the year what? Probably 1990s. Alright? And when you join Israel, there you figure out, oops, there's glutathione. And all the while, people think that glutathione is for a person who wants to be fairer. They have to take it and it will act as a skin whitener. Actually, that is the side effect. And most of the time, people, they buy the side effect. Can I just buy the side effect? Alright, that's what they do. But actually, glutathione is the most powerful antioxidant. I have downloaded an ebook a while ago regarding glutathione by Dr. Rob Keller, a doctor he was like saying that all the while I've studied medicine and all, they would never mention antioxidant and everything until I went to PubMed.gov. Okay? And I read that particular site every single time, right? And glutathione basically, it has this capability to conjugate with free radicals, and it is a metal chelator, meaning anything that you eat, diba, ang dami mo, you eat a lot of fish, very rich in mercury, and it's not healthy anymore, it's not fresh anymore, then ang taas ng mercury mo. Mercury is not good, okay? And then, of course, it's a metal. Later, and what else? Women, they put a lot of lipstick. And little did you know that the lipstick that you're using is it is with lead. Okay? That's why, more than men, women are more prone to colon cancer. Don't you know that by studies? Women are more prone to having colon cancer by statistics because when you have your lipstick on, unknowingly you were swallowing it. Then you go to the toilet, you put on your retouch, okay, and it's with lead. And then again, after 2 minutes, you just did some document for your boss, you look at the screen of the computer, oops, I don't have my lipstick. Put again lipstick, little did you know, it's filled with lead, and you drank water, and voila, you have swallowed it. Okay? Ayan na, lead po yan. Over the years, you are only 6 years old and you're putting lipstick. Okay, and during the time, parents, they don't know. Women, they don't know that they have to put on a lead-free kind of lipstick. Well, you get what I mean? Now, glutathione, it will eliminate all these metals. Okay? Glutathione is an antioxidant. If you want to be healthy, you have to have a lot of glutathione. You have to reach the optimum level of glutathione every single day. Now you tell me, Ate, is there any, the more you have, the better. Okay? Is there any, like, probably I will, overdose? It has what we call cysteine. It's a tripeptide. Okay? This one. Alright. Now, glutathione, when it is oxidized, okay, on its own, because of its sustain, it has the capability to go back and regenerate. It can also help together with vitamin C. If you take vitamin C and vitamin E with it can regenerate this all together. And at the same time, vitamin C also will help it out. Ganun lang yun, it's a cycle. That's why you have to take it with that. Ours is the reduced form, meaning the absorbable form. Okay? It's not the oxidized form. We have glutathione in our body, particularly in our liver, in our spleen. Our liver is the what? Strainer, detox. Our spleen, it is basically there, placed by God to help out in our immunity. Our spleen. Okay? And our largest organ in the body, what is it? The largest organ is the skin. It is also rich in glutathione. Now, think about this. That's why pala, probably you have a lot of pimples because your glutathione on that particular time is less. Okay? Probably the person who's like always sick and they have a family line of heart disease and all, the more that you have to take glutathione. Okay? Of course, it's an immune system booster. Anyone with a autoimmune disease, you have to check with the doctor first because those people with autoimmune disease, they have to suppress their immunity. That's another story. So you just don't give it just like that. Okay, are you learning something or am I giving so like scientific thing? Is that okay? Okay na po? Clear naman? Okay, that's the most important thing. Our glutathione, we both have 462 and gluta 700. Gluta 700 doesn't mean 700 dirhams, okay? And it doesn't mean 700 milligrams. The glutathione level, milligram here is 500 and here is 250. We also have another one. Oh, I already discussed that, that's fine. Okay, into the spirit, that's also fine. If you are a smoker, you have to take a lot of glutathione. Okay? If you don't sleep well, take glutathione. Because if you don't sleep well, your stress level is up, you have less level of glutathione. Okay? If you're tired and all, take glutathione. Okay? For sports, glutathione is good as well. Clear? Ayan. How did they come to know glutathione? Because one day there's a French scientist, he was studying the eyeball, okay? And realized, oops, this glutathione, this eyeball is rich with the protein called glutathione. Okay? I was studying that a while ago, but anyway, I will share that to you later on. Clear? How does it whiten the skin? Basically, it inhibits the enzyme called tyrosinase. Okay, from manufacturing melanin. Melanin is our skin pigmentation. Okay? The more active your melanocytes are, the more melanin you produce, the more brown skin you have. Okay? You take glutathione, over a period of time, you'll be favored. Clear? Okay, are you learning something? Just give me a smile.
Yes.
If you're bored, give the person next to you some elbow. Okay, wake up, alright? Okay, let's move on. Let's talk about that. Pinkish glow, it's another form of glutathione, but that's only 200 milligrams. But I like it because it also has a very powerful antioxidant right here, lycopene. A very powerful antioxidant is a carotenoid. Lycopene, where we get in the tomato, right? It doesn't only give you the pinkish coloration, okay? Or like watermelon is also rich in lycopene because of its color. And watermelon actually is rich in glutathione as well. Broccoli is very rich in glutathione. But of course, it is absorbed by, you lose it by cooking. So it's better if you just steam it. Clear? Okay. Lycopene is very good for the skin. Lycopene is a very good antioxidant. And plus a very good heart supplement. And it also has alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is known to be a precursor of glutathione. It puts back glutathione back to its reduced form, absorbable form. And alpha-lipoic acid, if a person is diabetic, it increases the insulin sensitivity. So it's good for anyone who's diabetic. Alpha-lipoic acid works well for the nerves as well. Okay? That's it. And it's a very good combination, premium combination. It is for anti-aging. And research has shown that 33%, if you're taking lycopene and like a lot of, by the way, if you take a lot of tomatoes, you don't get lycopene just like that. It is better when it's cooked. Okay? When it's cooked, when it's processed, it's better. More lycopene, especially when it is with olive oil. Because lycopene is a fat-soluble carotenoid. That's why you have to eat it with olive oil. So when you eat your, when you have your bolognese, spaghetti bolognese, that's perfect. Your pizza, but don't eat a lot because it's a junk food also. Okay? You can have your salad, okay, with olive oil and a lot of your cherry tomatoes. That's perfect. Yun na lang, dami ko sinabi. Grape seed. Okay, grape seed extract, the most powerful, another powerful antioxidant ever discovered. 20 times more potent than vitamin C and 50 times more powerful than vitamin E. Its active ingredient is basically the OPC. That's what we get, okay, or it's colored, or the oligomeritproanthocyanidins. Alright? It prevents cardiovascular diseases and edema, prevents collection of platelets to form clots which cause strokes. But anyhow, you have to be very careful in giving it to anyone who has a problem with bleeding because it is a blood thinner. If a person is taking warfarin or aspirin, don't give. That will be double effect. Clear? It prevents the growth of cancer cells where? In the breast, in the stomach, colon, prostate, skin, and lungs. Alright? If it has an antihistamine effect, so it's good if a person is asthmatic. Okay? Anti-inflammatory effect. If you're so stressed out, use grape seed. If you can't focus, use grape seed because of your brain. Okay? Kasi nga yung our blood vessels in our brain, they are so small, minute. How can the blood be reaching to the brain if it's so thick? So you might as well use grape seed. Are you learning something?
Yes.
It improves blood sugar level and vision. It prevents tooth decay by preventing the growth of bacteria in the oral cavity and increases bone density. Locals, they like this because a lot of old people problem with locals because they're quite big, right? If you're heavy, this is what we call osteoarthritis, the wear and tear of the bones, their joints. Yeah, if you have, if you're quite heavy, the tendency would be you give a lot of weight to your bones. So, you know, diba? So now what you have to do is to strengthen your bones by taking this one as well. Grape seed extract, it would strengthen your arteries, not thicken it, but to strengthen it. Okay? And a lot more. It prevents premature aging. So because of its collagen, vitamin E, right, and vitamin C, you need vitamin C for the collagen synthesis, formation of collagen. That's why when you take grape seed extract, you will realize that you are more like firm, even with your skin. Okay, your skin tone is firmer with grape seed extract. Take it in the night. It's good for circulation. If you have problems with intermittent coagulation or pamimintig po ng mga hita-hita natin habang naglalakad, it will be removed. Like where you're walking in the mall after 2 hours, you're so like, you have pain all over your legs, use grape seed extract. And also it's good for anyone with Raynaud's disease, okay? Like during, especially now, winter, you have this, when it's cold, you have pain and all. Here on your fingers and your toes, use it. Grape seed. It is very good for anyone with chronic venous insufficiency. Clear? Yes, ma'am. Later. Keep that question later. Write it down. Okay? So I'll be fast because it's almost 9. Keep it in mind. Okay? It is best taken in the morning or before bedtime. Actually, 1 grape seed extract a day is fine. Because ours is 500 milligrams. Okay? If you want to take it 1 in the morning, 1 in the night, it's fine. But I take it only once a day. It's fine. For me, it's just fine. Clear? Okay, let's move on. Fit Shape. Fit Shape is L-carnitine together with green tea extract. Okay? carnitine is basically formed within our kidneys. Okay? No wonder people with very low carnitine level, they have kidney problems. L-carnitine, RFID shape can help out to prevent kidney stone formation. Alright? If a person cannot, the wife can conceive, of course, not man. Okay? It will help out to distress the sperm. Carnitine, because of its carnitine. And plus, it has green tea, which is an antioxidant. It will help out the sperm as well. Okay? Kaya ngayon, if you have clients that they can conceive, the woman, okay, can conceive, then you can give fit shape. Don't give fit shape in the night. Okay? Because the tendency is for them to palpitate. It is best taken 30 minutes just before you do your workout to prevent the lactic acid formation in your muscles. Clear? Okay po? Right. Okay, what else? Carnitine on its own, it will not work unless you exercise. It will work well if, it will reach the ATP or in your mitochondria, the energy center, the powerhouse of the cell. It will work better if you exercise. If you don't exercise, it will not work. That's why it's written on the bottle, best result, you have to do exercise together with it. Okay? And it has green tea, of course. Basically, it lowers cholesterol, it boosts immune system, it helps prevent cavities and tooth decay. And plus, it's good, as I said a while ago, to prevent, to increase the metabolism of an individual, especially for the ones with hypothyroidism. It's good. Recall, bukal na to. Recall, ayan na. Joke lang yun, sir, kasi tinitingnan ko kung tulog ka na. Oh, alam mo, ha? Sige, recall. Kailangan di ma-recall. Ano pangalan nito ulit? Recall, kasi si Sir Rick. Yan. Napansin niyo ba yung mga name natin? Si Sir Rick Castaneda. IQ for all. Recall. Yan, for all. Okay, it's our mental and memory awareness capsule. These are the active ingredients of recall. Pacopa, which is food for the brain cells. Okay? It enhances learning, memory retention, and concentration. Kung ang problema mo, hindi ka makakonsentrate kasi na-in love ka. Siguro mag-recall ka ng konti, makakatulong sa'yo yun. Para makakonsentrate ka kasi accountant ka, hindi ka pwede magkamali. Auditor ka, nag-work ka sa particular risk, analyst na, anong tawag ito? Ano tawag nga? Ernst & Young. Ala, tapos risk analyst ka, no? Hindi ka makakonsentrate kasi na-in-love ka na, mag-recall ka. Eto pa, ano mo ngayon? Babae ka, monthly period, kailangan may PMS ka. Masakit, hindi ka pwede. Kasi mag-absent ka, kakatasan ka. Tama? Mag-recall ka. Magkano na ang recall? 1:38. Dami, di alam, di nagbibenta ng recall. O yan, para magbenta kayo nito. Alright, to read it, it's in brain function. Ang ginkgo biloba, maganda siya sa, circulation. Ang ginkgo biloba is also good, okay, because of its ability to, parallel and rapeseed, blood thinner din po siya, ang ginkgo. You have to, when you give this one, ang magandang effect niyan, kapag may claudication yung tao, okay, naglalakad sa mall, after some time, namimintig yung paa. Okay? May intermittent claudication. Namimintig yung paa, ang sakit, hindi naman mag-recall. Kasi may ginkgo yan, maganda circulation. Meron siyang Raynaud's disease. Kapag malamig, ang sakit ng katawan, lalo na yung mga dulo-dulo ng mga daliri at saka toes. Bigyan. Intolerant siya sa heat, sa cold. Nagkakasakit-sakit, bigyan yan. Tinnitus, hindi po ganito Ring po. Hindi po yung ring na yun. Ibig sabihin yung may ugong. Hindi po yung ring in the ear. Hindi po yung ring talaga. Kasi pag ring, kailangan sagutin. Ugong po, hindi bulong. Kasi po minsan, pag may bumubulong, sa al-amal po ang punta nun. Tama? Bulong, hindi bulong. Ugong. Iba naman pag, iba yun. Okay? Tandaan, ringing lang. Okay, ring in the ear. For tinnitus, it's good. Vertigo, it's also good. Yung for no reason, nahihilo ka lang. So that means, maganda yung recall kapag siguro you're traveling and you have the tendency to feed ka, you know? You have a dizziness. Take it. Alright? Ano pa? Maganda rin yung recall sa be careful, magbigay ng recall. You have to be very careful with anyone with hypertension. Okay, be very, very careful with that. If a person has a problem with bleeding, don't give recall. As I said kanina sa grapeseed, kapag yung tao meron siyang peptic ulcer, kapag mag-surgery na siya in 2 weeks time, huwag bibigyan ng recall at grapeseed. Kasi ano din ito po anticoagulant. Okay? Blood thinner siya. Okay? Be very careful to give this to anyone with anyone also who's taking antidepressive drugs. Yung mga Zoloft, yung mga yan, huwag nyo lang ibibigay ito basta-basta. Kasi medyo nag-delay yung effect, lalo matidepress yung tao. Kasi syempre may ginkgo yun, no? So ngayon, always check it out with their physicians. Always, always. Okay? And also, studies have shown that it can even reduce the risk of having dementia. Okay? Or Alzheimer's. Okay? Yung mga alam nyo na yun. Medyo tumatanda ka na. Tapos maganda rin siya sa mata, of course. Okay? Ginseng naman, it increases the resistance to physical, chemical, and biological stress. It builds energy and general vitality. Green tea, you know that, it's an anti-cancer, it's an immune system booster, maganda sa ngipin, and all. Okay? Recommended, don't give it to anyone who's pregnant, anyone who's lactating mother. Don't give. Okay? Be very, very careful. Yung sa mga naglalactate, nagpapadede, don't give. Okay? Especially to the ones who are hypertensive. Be very careful with that. Diabetes watch, it's not only for anyone who's diabetic. If your family line has issue, okay, a history, familial history of diabetes, you can take that. Okay? Ano ba mga active ingredients niyan? Meron tayong ampalaya. Okay? Meron din po tayong balaba, which is a natural plant insulin for the treatment of diabetes. Bilisan na natin. Turmeric o yung luyang dilaw. Kaya ang mga Indiano, naku, gusto-gusto yan, di ba? Curry. Curry. Tayo ba? Curry tayo. Okay, yung curry nila, yung luyang dilaw. Natural liver detoxifier yan. Anti-cancer ang turmeric. Also, kaya di know that. Okay, anti-inflammatory and natural pain reliever. Gymnema sylvestre, it is effective in controlling diabetes. Tatanggalin niya yung craving mo for sweets. It lowers blood sugar level. It blocks the dietary fat absorption and effective for weight control. Who said that? Dr. Mehmet Oz in a show of Oprah in 2009. Gymnema sylvestre. Royal C. Our Royal C is sodium ascorbate. Sodium, in other words, salt pa rin yan. Be very careful to give it with anyone with kidney problem. Anyone who's mabilis mag-form ng kidney stone, may history, lagi naka-form ng kidney stone, huwag mong ibibigay yan. Anong ibibigay mo? Fit shake. Sa mga nag-kidney stone. At recall. Recharge. Okay? Yun ang ibibigay mo doon. Tapos, it's alkaline based, tummy friendly, maganda absorption niya. Pag wiwi mo, normally, di ba pag nag-vitamin C ka, yung mga synthetic, kulay yellow na yellow, sa atin hindi. Tama? Ibig sabihin na-absorb talaga siya. Alright? These are the benefits. It boosts the immune system, strengthens the bones, joints, teeth, muscles, and veins. Okay? It increases iron absorption. It helps the body in situations of stress. You know that. Essential for the production of collagen. Ang vitamin C, necessary yan for collagen production. Tapos, yun, kapag iron supplement, lalo na yung mga bata, bigyan po natin ng vitamin C. Kasi ang iron, kapag hindi na-absorb, toxic din siya. Okay? Kailangan siyang ma-absorb sa dugo. Yung mga hindi pa naman buntis, at mabubuntis pa ng pinaplano ng buntis na nag-iron na, bigyan po natin ng vitamin C. It reduces allergic reaction, tapos na sila yung mga may imamam. Tapusin na natin to ngayon na. Okay? Diretso na tayo. Experts suggest that the amount of antioxidants in your body is directly proportional to how long you will live. American Cancer Society recommends eating 7 to 3 varieties of fruits and vegetables daily for full antioxidant protection. In other words, if you cannot eat those, take Prime. Clear? Mag-Prime ka na lang. Hindi ka kumakain ng varieties of fruits a day. Mag-Prime ka na lang. Ang dami pa, high in aura. Look at this. High in vitamin B complex. Vitamin A. Meron din siyang calcium, iron, iodine. Lahat ng gusto mo, nandyan lahat. Okay? Kung gusto mong gumana ang pagkain mo, maganda ang prime. Meron naman tao dito, gusto naman magpataba. Prime. Maraming nagsabi na they like prime kasi gumagana silang kumain. Pero naman, kung gusto mo naman pumayat, magtik ka naman ng, alam mo na, spirulina is good for that. Meron nag-asa akin, meron pa po, ano po kasi yung out of stock po kasi yung prime mami. Sabihin niyo po, meron pa po ba na pwede nating papagano pong kumain?
Spirulina.
Spirulina po, if you take it, it's also good. Ano pa po, meron pa po ba? Kaya niyo po pinipilitin ako, yun lang po ang isasabi ko sa inyo. Diba? Meron pa po kayo masasuggest na, kasi po pag nag-fiber-rich, gusto na agad. So, hindi ka na talaga makakain nun. Tama? So, prime and spirulina. Spirulina, take it after meal. Kung gusto mo mag-put ng weight. Pag naman ayaw mong mag-put ng weight, take it before. Kasi mabubusog ka na agad. Alright? Okay, spirulina, a lot of citations. Spirulina is very high in chlorophyll. In other words, maganda siyang probiotic. Okay? Ayan. Ano pa? 5 to 30 times cleansing. Maganda ang spirulina. Protein niya po, 2 times than soya, 3 times than milk. Mataas ang protein niya, kaya maganda siya sa mga bodybuilders. Oh, by the way, pinkish glow is also good for bodybuilders because of the alpha-lipoic acid. Okay? Kasi maganda yung, pag maraming nagsasabi na pag nagbubuhat sila because of alpha-lipoic acid, mas may sa pag-weightlifting. Okay? Hindi ko kasi ako weightlifter, kaya hindi ko alam. Ang nililift ko lang po yung bag ko tsaka pitaka. And then, ayan, ay mga products. Yung A ang bigat eh. Kailangan ko pang pinkish glow para mag-A. Di ba? Alright, ito. Ang beta-carotene niya, 25 times ng carrots. Maganda ang beta-carotene for the eyes. Maganda rin siyang anti-aging ang vitamin A. Alam natin yan, sa skin. Calcium, sa heart. Maganda rin ang E. Ang E, mention ba dito? Hindi. Okay lang. Iron niya, 68 times in spinach. Kung ang problema mo, iron deficiency anemia, give that. Plus, vitamin C. Right? Tapos, vitamin B12 niya, 2 times than raw beef liver. GLA niya, which is a very rare fatty acid, second only to mother's milk. So, may GLA din siya. Okay? Now, these are the recommendations. Ang dami. Alam niyo na yun. World's healthiest superfood. Hindi alam ba ako ng astronaut when they travel. Maganda siyang immune system booster. It is also a very rich antioxidant. Okay? Be careful lang not to give to anyone whose problem, of course, is any autoimmune disease. I-check pa rin nyo. Kasi syempre, pag meron pong autoimmune disease, okay, gaya na lupus erythematosus, yung mga autoimmune na hyperthyroidism, kapag mga ganyan yung mga sakit, kailangan po always check it with their physician. Wala pong mawawala sa inyo. Huwag kayong matakot na, kasi it's better eh. Di ba? Malay mo sabihin ng physician, where did you get this? This is a very good product. From a friend. Oh, malay mo, naging prospect mo kayo. Yung sa sarili mo natatakot kayo, hindi na siya may binig kasi i-check lang ako sa doktor. Paano? Di ba? Dapat yung mentality natin dapat positive parate. Okay? Ay, si Ma'am nga pala yung nagsabi na yung recall daw, na mas nasarap ang tulog yan. Tama? Kasi yung mga iba naman, kumigising sa recall kasi may ginseng. Yung iba naman, mas masarap ang tulog. So, kasi nga, we cannot quantify one thing to one person. Everybody reacts differently to everything, right? So, hindi mo sabihin, sarap ang tulog mo dyan. Pero paano kung nagising? Huwag lang yung fit shape, ha? Huwag lang yung fit shape, kasi yung fit shape talaga, mag-workout talaga yun. Okay? Hindi mo naman gagamitin yung energy. Sayang lang, baka manaba ka lalo. Joke lang po. Okay? Ano pa? These are some of the benefits of, health benefits of spirulina. It encourages weight loss, counteracting toxins in the body, helps purify the liver. Kaya may time na mararamdaman mo muna, of course, pag umpisa parang nadi-detox ka, yung naninigas yung right upper quadrant mo where the liver is. Okay? Minsan parang medyo poor yung yung pagpupo mo. Minsan kasi lalabas yung toxin. Paano magda-diarrhea ka for the beginning? Once a year, doctors would say, it's better to have a loose bowel. Kasi nire-release mo yung toxin. Pero iba naman kasi ang diarrhea, iba yung loose bowel. Pag diarrhea, 12 pataas, ang dami mo na na-dehydrate ka, yun ang diarrhea. Nagda-diarrhea ako. Ilang beses once, hindi diarrhea yun. Alam mo tayo, loose bowel movement lang yun. Gets? O ngayon, natututo ka, mukhang doktor pero hindi doktor ka. Minsan ito, naglalakad ako, sabi sa akin, Doc, meron po ba kayong ano ngayon? Hindi ako MD-PhD talaga, no? Hindi po ako doktor, sir, nurse lang po ako. Ano, pero po yung mga iba po sa ibang bansa, yung mga doktor po, nag-nurse. O, di ba? Ganun yan, di ba? Nasa Amerika po, doktor po sila, pero gusto nyo mag-nurse, mas mataas po sa sweldo nila. Wala ko. Mag-royal ka na lang. Kaya ako nag-royal. Tama, malakpakan nyo naman yun. Okay, ito pa, oh. It helps fight viral infection, tataas ang immune system mo. By the way, it can, by studies, it can prevent, okay, and heal, in fact, allergy rhinitis. Okay? Allergy rhinitis. Alam niyo yun, pagising mo, pag mag-ayong mata mo, may periorbital edema ka, tapos tumutulo lang basta, AC2 eh, gano'n ka. Diba? Hindi sila ate AC eh. Mag-spirulina ka. Kasi it can help you with your allergy rhinitis. Tama? Enhancing the ability to generate new blood cells, improves blood sugar problems, strengthening the nervous system, strengthening the immune system, as well as removing toxic metals such as lead and mercury from the body, improving healing of wounds. Okay, I got this from New Whole Foods Encyclopedia by Rebecca Woods. She said that spirulina lowers cholesterol, suppresses fatty acid accumulation in the liver, prevents tumor formation, enhances the immune system, and protects the kidneys. Okay, ang dami pa na gusto mong pag-aralan about spirulina. Okay, effects of the program, scanning 1 to 30 days. Okay, ngayon ilalabas niyo yung tinatawag nating nakatago. Yung mga bagay-bagay na asymptomatic, hindi mo nakikita na may nakatagong sakit. Malalaman mo, gawa ng mga antioxidant kasi mag-detox ka. Yun. Cleansing. Alright? After some time, 1 to 12 months, regulating. Susunod, recovering, building up. Medyo less na ngayon, yung ability mo to get sick, look at this, rejuvenating. Now you will experience optimal health and enjoy the benefits that comes with restored youthfulness. Kaya sinasabi natin parati, tandaan, before and after na picture. Before naging royalista at after naging royalista. Kasi ibang-iba ang mukha mo. Mas glowing ka, mas beautiful ka, mas makapal ang hindi mukha, yung bulsa mo. Yes! Ay, by the way, kakapal din yung mukha mo. Kasi syempre, kung prospect ka, alam hindi ko mamakapal ang mukha. Tama? Dapat in any way, any aspect kakapal. Yung mukha, bulsa. Pwede, di ba? Kakapal yung kuko. Kasi sa grade seed, matibay yung kuko. See mo, okay? Alright, recharge. Mabilis na to. Recharge. This is our health drink, alright? It contains 7 of nature's most potent sources of antioxidant. Isa-isahin natin, mabilis lang. Alright, number 1, mangosteen. Mangosteen, it has a compound called xanthone. Xanthone, it contains, it prevents the formation of cataract. Ang cataract ngayon, hindi lang siya farmer's disease. Ngayon, kahit ngayon, because of the ozone layer na manipis, kahit sino. Kaya kailangan mag-shades parati. Especially here. Okay? Alright. It can prevent cancer. Certain cancer ang mangosteen. Okay? Pero prevent yun. Pag may cancer na, hindi na. Okay? Prevention kasi. Or anti-leukemia, anti-glaucoma, anti-vertigo. Lahat ng antay, nandiyan. 35 na antay. At kaka-antay mo ng 150. Mag-recharge ka muna kasi baka nasa-stress ka na. Kaka-antay mo ng Payray, mag-recharge ka. Tama? Okay po ba yun? Yes! Alright, ito pa sa kaka-antay. Cranberry, sa kaka-antay mo sa guest mo. Gusto mo ng tumoilet, hindi ka maka-toilet. Ngayon, yan po ang best place where the E. coli lives. Your bladder filled with urine, didikit-dikit yan sa inyong bladder. Okay? Kaya ang madaling magkaroon ng UTI. So, ang cranberry, ang help niya, tatanggalin niya yung, ipa-flash out niya yun kasi meron siyang anti-adhesive effect para mawala yung E. coli na didikit-dikit sa bladder nyo. At the same time, yung H. pylori sa inyong tiyan. Okay, na nakukos ng stomach cancer, ulcer, sorry. H. pylori or Helicobacter pylori. It prevents also the formation of kidney stones, contains polyphenol antioxidant and phytochemicals to help prevent cancer. I already mentioned that. Barley grass, mataas din sa chlorophyll. Alam niyo na, cleansing, masarap okay din ang recharge. Kasi may barley din siya. At kung ano-ano pa, basahin nyo na lang. Matatapos na tayo. Okay? Ang daming kasing kwento. It can prevent constipation, impotence, hypertension, diabetes, etc. Ano bang meron? Silimarin. It produces new liver cells. Kung gusto mo, ikaw yung tipong tao, ang hiling mo uminom. Sabihin ko sa'yo, kung gusto mo uminom ka ng recharge. Bigyan mo naman ng tulong ang iyong give your liver a break by producing new liver cells because of silimarin, which comes from milk thistle. Okay, that goes in urine basically. Okay, it heals ulcers and colitis, essential in the treatment of cirrhosis of the liver and chronic hepatitis, buildup of plaque on the artery walls to reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Where did we get that? Reader's Digest 1901 Home Remedies. Okay, pomegranate. Study said that anyone who's taking pomegranate juice or eating the fruit, or might as well drink it from recharge, okay, can now fight prostate cancer. Prevent prostate cancer. Yung alam natin prostate, di ba? May breast ka naman tsaka cervix. O, it can also prevent cervical and breast cancer. Ito pa, it can fight osteoarthritis, yung wear and tear sa joints. Okay? And a traditional remedy against diarrhea, dysentery, and intestinal parasites. Goji berry. Ang goji berry naman is called the virility fruit at the same time longevity fruit. Kaya yung mga tao doon sa Himalayas, mahaba na ang buhay, marami pang anak. Kasi ang goji berry nag-grow sa Himalayas yan. Okay? Where people in Nepal, people in India part where the Himalayas is, people from China, di ba, dami nilang mga anak, kaya sa China, binabawal ang anak, tapos ito lang anak mo, konti. Di ba? That is previously, I don't know now. Alright? It helps lower down cholesterol, regulates hormones, and fights arthritis as well. It contains what we call protein zeaxanthin. Lutein, zeaxanthin, good for the eyes. Okay? Now, it is also rich in vitamin E that may have anti-aging benefits. It may boost brain health and may protect against age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's. Alright, blueberry. It is an excellent source of manganese. It is an excellent source of fiber, very rich in vitamin C. Ang blueberry, hindi ko pala kinipil. Antioxidant effect niya, wala naman dun yung sinabi ko. Diba? Okay, diba? It prevents Alzheimer's. Okay? It prevents macular degeneration. Sa Amerika, ano sa mo? Blueberry. Ano sa mo? Blueberry. I-take mo to, blueberry. Lahat na lang, blueberry nila. Sa puso, maganda yan, blueberry. Mahal ang blueberry. Bakit yung pagbibili ng blueberry? Mag-recharge ka na lang. Tama? Yes, pero kung ano na Sikid ka pa. At may points ka pa. Yun. Alright. Beverages. Of course, kaya Choco All 8. 8 in 1. Kaya Choco All 8. Okay? Meron tayong corn beverage, rich in fiber. With L-carnitine, maganda sa heart din, of course. Sa digestion, maganda rin. Carnitine is a very good supplement for the heart, by the way. Okay? Meron tayong coffee blend, 8 in 1. Kung gusto nyo maging 9 in 1, pwede rin. Kasi alam naman walang tubig. Tama? Siyempre, 9 in 1. Pero 8 lang tayo siya. Kung ito, walang sugar, light lang sa mga diabetic, ayaw nila niyan. Or, ayaw nila ng sugar, so we can give it to them. Or, we might as well give our corn beverage, which is no caffeine. Kung ang medyo mabilis siya magpalpitate, bigyan natin siya ng corn beverage. A friend of mine drinks this a lot for breakfast kasi he likes it. At saka diretso din siya sa toilet. Yan, okay. O na po yan, masyado ko nang dissect. Doon na tayo mabilisan sa ating mga cosmetics. Alam naman natin ang ating Aldo Power soap is for anti-aging. Any part, someone said, any part that is sagging already, you can use it, not just for the face. Any part that has to be firm. Sa legs mo kailangan firmer, dapatin mo. Kung saan, bahala ka na. Alam mo na yun. Alright, meron siyang arbutin. Okay, arbutin, yung po yung, it's a whitening agent that they use sa mga beauty products para mawala yung mga blemishes at papantay yung skin tone. Tama? Eto pa, huwag nyo naman ibibigay yan sa may oily skin na. Okay? Pag may oily skin, combination it's like oily skin wag, kasi may shea butter siya, remember? Okay, ito. Yung L2 Power maganda rin siya sa mga may freckles. Okay? Pantanggal ng libag, sabi ng mga RBP. Talaga? Oo, effective daw patanggal ng libag. Hindi ko naman na-try kasi ginagamit kami ng lupa. Hindi ko naman nililibag. Yung sabon ba nakakatanggal ng libag? Pero alam ko, ang Koji papaya, nakakatanggal talaga yun kasi may exfoliating infection. Okay? Dalawa kasi yan, may kojic acid siya at saka yung papaya. Yung papaya niya, yung papi, nakakaputi yun. Alright? Yung kojic acid part na, yun ang nakakapag-exfoliate. Well, papaya on its own can exfoliate. Okay? Kaya ito, ibibigay mo kapag yung skin niya oily. Huwag mong ibibigay sa dry skin, tapos binabad pa. Naku, nawala. Ano yun, sir? Pinkish glow? Sabi ko sa isa, hindi, ma'am. Ano? Hindi ko gumagala. Kojic papaya, binabad mo, no? Opo, ang kapdi. Kasi may kojic acid eh. So, ang cute, di ba? Talaga, namumula siya dito. Kala ko pinkish glow. Ngayon pala, kojic. Yung kojic po natin, bilisan po natin sa face. Bilisan lang, segundo lang, huwag mong ibababad. Kasi, ang pH ng face mo sa other part ng skin mo, iba. Okay? Ito po, mas iba. Kahit yan ay medyo kumakapal. Okay? Iba po yan. Ito po, mas sensitive po kasi yung face natin kaysa sa other skin part natin. Clear? Alright. Yun na naman ating pinkish glow toner. Meron siyang lycopene. O, di maganda siya. Antioxidant ang lycopene. We all know that, right? Tapos, ano pa? It has glutathione. Sasabay sa whitening. At the same time, meron din siyang arbutin. Okay. Ano naman yun? Yung skin whitening na naman. Alright? Kaya yung mga, huwag nyo nang burahin yung mukha nyo pag ginagamit ito, no? Huwag naman yung sobra-sobra. Ang toner, actually, some of the people, they use toner not every day. Kasi kung tone naman, okay lang. Kung, minsan kasi pag sobrang, magda-dry. Okay? Pag unnecessary, use it every day. But use the cream every day, ha? Someone said use it before, washing your face. Some people see that, but I don't, kasi it's meant to be a toner. For me, my conviction is I use it after. Sana nga magkaroon tayo ng eye makeup remover. Kasi I still use another brand to remove the makeup. Kasi ang hapdi kaya pag ginamit mo itong eye makeup remover, no, honestly, hindi naman tayo 100% perfect, right? You have to use eye makeup remover. That's a different formulation kasi. Okay? Gamitin mo yung toner as a toner to tone back. Kasi iba naman yung skin mo dito sa eye, iba rin yung sa cheek. Clean? Ay, clean. Clear? Diba? Huwag kang gagamit na yung clean and clear, ha? Ano na yung gamit natin? Yung video niyo, mag-like sa YouTube, mapupulis na naman ako. Alright? Kasi mahal naman po yung mga produkto natin. Hindi po gawa ng points, ha? Maganda lang talaga. Okay? Palakpakan na naman natin. Super brands! Ano pa? Okay, of course we have this vintage glow brightening smoothie. Marami pong nagwawala. Kasi wala pa po tayo nito. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi what I've heard is they will put it under the new line. Kaya medyo tumatagal siguro probably because of the packaging. I cannot really answer that, but I assure you, makukuha niyo po yung whatever meron kayo mga to follow. Okay? Maganda yan kasi as arbutin, ibig sabihin maganda siya sa sunburn. Remember? Kaya sa Dubai, maganda yung mga produkto natin. Lalo na yung mga may lycopene. Okay? Tandaan natin yan. And we also have, of course, the Gluta-Power Whitening Smoothing Cream. Kung hindi mo yan hiyang, use the anti-aging cream. Minsan kasi, hiyangan eh. Okay, ito gusto mo yung mga freckles, may mga pimple marks, use this one. Ito naman, yung mga crow's feet, yung mga line na ang hilig-hilig mo mag-isip, bigla mo na yung genealogy mo, nakaganyan ka. Bago mo bandayin yung genealogy mo, lagyan mo na kaagad ng cream. Tama? Para matanggal agad yung mga nakalign na dyan. Okay? Tama? Yung iba kasi dito, hindi natutulog, hindi nalipit na rin yung genealogy. So, yung mga tumatawa sila yun. Hindi, so, alright, okay. Meron tayo lotion, yung lotion natin. The moment you take a bath, right after taking a bath, immediately use the lotion. Do not use it kapag dry na yung skin mo. Kasi it is matte finish. Alright, parang ginotong paint ka. Nakulay puti. Tama? So kaya gamitin mo pagbasa ka pa kasi water soluble siya. I-absorb niya, absorb. Sa water ba siya? Water-based siya, hindi siya oil-based. Kaya pag ginamit mo yung lotion natin, hindi siya sticky. Right? Kaya maganda siya kapag basa pa yung body mo. Para ma-absorb. Tama? Ngayon, kung gusto mong gamitin yun, kasi sa tingin mo, oh, this is more healthy, you can put something over it. It's up to you, your brand, whatever. It's just a suggestion, but I don't know. Mapupulis ba? Alright. Eto ba? Ito talaga walang kukurap. Matindi to. Kasi ngayon dati, hindi ka makataas. Di ba? Nahiya ka sa jeep. Kakaingat ka ng babae. Ang ulit ba? Ang kilikili. Di ba? Alam mo yung mga lalaki, ganun eh. Meron akong friend, sabi ba niya, honey, lahat ng part ng katawan mo, pwede mong malikan, pwede ang kilikili mo. Alam sino nasabi sa akin? Yung babae. Sabi niya, biro ba naman ako nakasabi mo? Ate, di ba sabi mo, mayroon kang deodorant? Ayun, nagdiin din. Ang galing. Ang galing! Siya yung apply nyo. Di ba? Ang galing! Nothing lang. Ang galing, ate, 2 a.m. nag-RPP ako, gawa sa deodorant. Tandaan mo to, honey, pipicture ako. Sabi niya, before and after, ngayon na, picturean mo. Picturean mo, tandaan mo, picturean mo. O yun, pinapicture niya. Aba ngayon, yung babae yun, yung kaibigan ko, nagsisleeveless na. Yung mga iba naman, walang effect kasi mataba. Hindi naman ako nakaanuhan. Sinabi ko, repeat, sorry. Repeat. Sir, i-edit mo, sir, baka maraming hurt. Sorry ba? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag minsan na insulin resistant na yung mga sign, yung mataba, at na yung dito. Tandaan nyo to, huwag po kayo magpapataba, tandaan nyo. Pag po lumalaki po yung mga visceral fats ninyo, tandaan nyo yan. Huwag lalo dyan, kaya prone po tayo sa diabetes. Believe me, at saka kidney problem. So, careful lang tayo dyan. Pag tayo na po dito, kasi sa deodorant, kung mataka ka, kumikiskis talaga yan eh. Hindi mo mahirapan mo talaga tayo magpaputi niyan. Kailangan mag-lose weight ka. Tama? Kapag may pressure, ang tendency, yung sweat, hindi na nai-irritate, madaling mamula. Tapos after namula, nangingitim. Believe me. Right? Kaya kailangan pahanginin nyo. Ano ba ang nangyari sa presentation ko ngayon? Naging comedy bar. Meron na sabi, pwede rin sa singit. Kung saan yung sumaputiin. Pwede. Meron nga nagsabi, pwede sa paa. Kasi ito yung anti-smooth. O sige na nga. KSP daw. Kilikili. Tapos singit at paa. KSP ang deodorant. Meron naman nagsabi na burn siya. Wala siyang nadampot. Ang nadampot niya yung deodorant, ginano niya, nahil agad yung burn. Sabi ko, sir, hindi ko po maano yan. Dito sa Dubai. Hindi ko po masasabi yan, sir, kasi mamaya, yung iba, na burn habang nagpipray ko, tapos ginano, di ba? Di ba? Ayoko po sabihin niyo, sir, hindi po ma'am, pero iba po kayo, iba po sila, baka akong epekto sa inyo, sa iba hindi. Di ba? Ma-infect ba? Delikado tayo dyan. Wala na yung perfume dito kasi we have a lot of perfumes here. So we don't sell the perfume in this market. Okay? But the lipstick, I want to tell you, use them. Because they are petrochemical lipstick without lead. Normally, ang word ng lipstick, pa-enhance lang ng beauty. Believe me, with this one, hindi ka lang i-enhance ang beauty mo. Kasi kung may chopped lip ka, ang gagawin niya, i-heal niya. It will penetrate. May original to, may glycerin oil. So, it heals more than it beautifies. Galing! Palakpakan niyo naman yun. That ends our presentation for tonight. My name is Ano Campo. I'm proud to be na yung lista, and to God be the glory. Thank you.